Good students. It is the third property of the density. Third property of the fluids. It is the third property of the fluids. So density of the mixture of two or more than liquids. For example, if two liquids, it is case 1, two liquids of densities d1 and d2, its masses are having masses, or its masses having masses m1 and m2, and its volume and its volumes are v1 and v2 are mixed together. Then density of the mixture is okay. So here density of the mixture is equal to the total mass by total volume. Okay, so density of the mixture D equal to here m1 plus m2 by v1 plus v2. It is the density of the mixture. Density of the mixture. Okay, density of the mixture equal to total mass by total volume. Therefore, D equal to m1 plus m2 by v1 plus v2. If we have two different liquids having densities d1 and d2, having masses are m1 and m2 and its volumes are v1 and v2 are mixed together, and the density of the mixture is density of the mixture equal to total mass by total volume. That is D equal to, D means here two different liquids, density equal to d1 plus d2. So d1 plus d2 equal to density of the mixture. Okay, that equal to m1 plus m2 by v1 plus v2. It is the case 1. It is a case 1. If two liquids of densities are d1 and d2 having equal masses, here having equal masses are having equal masses, and its volumes are v1 and v2, and density of the mixture is okay. So here what are the given values? d1 d2 is given, next d1 equal to here m1 by v1. Okay, next d1 equal to m1 by v1, d2 equal to m2 by v2. What is the given condition here? Here m1 is equal to m2. Here m1 is equal to m2. Then d1 equal to m by v1. Therefore here v1 equal to m by d1. At the same time V2 equal to m by d2. M by d2. Okay, but here density of the mixture is equal to the total mass by total volume. Total mass by total volume. What is the total mass here? M1 plus m, that is equal to 2m. So here total mass equal to m plus m by v1 plus v2. v1 plus v2. So what is here v1? M by d1. v2 equal to m by d2 because of mass is equal. So m plus m, that is 2m. 2m by m by d1 plus m by d2. It is density of the mixture. Density of the mixture equal to 2m by m by d1 plus m by d2. So here LCM is 2d1 d2. LCM equal to d1 into d2. So density of the mixture equal to 2m by m common here, that is d1 plus d2 by d1 into d2. Here reciprocal density of the mixture equal to 2m by m into d1 d2 by m into d1 plus d2. So m will cancel. Density of the mixture equal to 2 into d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. It is the density of the mixture if mass is equal. If mass is equal, density of the mixture equal to 2 into d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. 2 into d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. Okay. The next one, if volumes are equal, if volumes are equal, if volumes are equal, if volumes are equal, density of the mixture if v1 equal to v2 equal to v, case 3, v1 equal to v2 equal to v, then find the density of the mixture. Okay, so here density of the mixture equal to total mass by total volume. Total mass by total volume. So here d1 equal to m1 by v1. Okay, so from this we can write m1 equal to d1 into v1. Here v1 equal to what? Here v. Therefore m1 equal to d1 into v. It is m1. From this we can write m2 equal to d2 into v. d2 into v. Now total mass equal to m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Here m1 equal to d1 into v plus d2 into v. So here v common, d1 plus d2. It is a total mass m. Total mass. Now total volume, that is equal to v1 plus v2. So v plus v, that is equal to 2v. Now density of the mixture is total mass by total volume. So here total mass equal to what here? V by total volume 2V. So your V will get cancelled. So density of the mixture is equal to d1 plus d2 by 2. d1 plus d2 by 2. It is the density of the mixture if volumes are equal. If volumes are equal, density of the mixture is d1 plus d2 by 2. d1 plus d2 by 2. Okay. Now I will explain this problem. Okay, ma. Okay. Okay. First one. So 0.2 kg of liquid occupies a volume of 18 cc or 18 grams. 18 cc or 18 centimeter cube. Find the density. Find the density. Is that so? Your mass is given, volume is given, but your mass is given kg, means SI system. V is given CS system. So V convert into SI system. So mass equal to 7.2 kg. 7.2 kg. 7.2 kg. Find the density in CS system. That is better. So mass equal to 7.2 kg. 1 kg equal to how many grams here? 1000 grams. That means here 7.2 into 1000 grams. That equal to 7200 grams. It is mass. Next to V equal to 18 cc or 18 centimeter cube. Therefore D equal to mass by volume. D equal to mass by volume. So your mass equal to 7200 grams by 18 cc or centimeter cube. 18 once here, 18 472. So here 18 once here, 18 400. So D equal to 400 gram per cc. It is the density in CGS system. Okay, we know that 1 gram per cc equal to 1 gram per cc equal to how many kg per meter cube? 1000. Okay, so density of the liquid in CS system equal to 400 kg per meter cube. It is the process to find the density. If RD is given, then find the density. Here RD of a given substance is density of the substance is okay RD. Okay, find the volume. Find the density of the substance of the substance whose RD is 0.8 whose RD is 0.8 whose RD is 0.8. Okay, RD equal to 0.8. It is the given value. So RD means relative density. So relative density equal to density of the substance. D of the substance by D of the water at 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here RD equal to 0.8. So density of the substance by density of the water in a system equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, 1000 kg per meter cube. Doing cross product here, 1000 into 0.8 that equal to 800 kg per meter cube is of the density. Density of the substance equal to 800 kg per meter cube in SI system. It is in SI system. If find the density of the substance in CS system. So here 1 kg per meter cube equal to 1/1000 kg per 1 kg per meter cube equal to 1/1000 gram per cc. Now in the place of kg per meter cube we can write 1/1000. So here 800 into 1/1000 gram per cc equal to D. 0 get cancelled. Remaining value 8/10 that equal to 0.8 gram per cc equal to D. It is the density of the substance in CCS system. It is the density of the substance in CCS system. Okay. Next one, if volumes are equal, two different liquids is given. Two different liquids of densities D1, D2 is given. If volumes are equal, then find the density of the substance. Third one, here V1 equal to V2 equal to V. Okay. Then V1 equal to 0.3 gram per cc and D2 equal to 0.9 gram per cc are mixed together. Then find the density of the mixture. Then find the density of the mixture equal to volume. Two different liquids of densities D1 equal to 0.3 and D2 equal to 0.9. But here volumes are equal. V1 equal to V2 equal to V are mixed together. Then find the density of the mixture. So here density of the mixture. If volumes are equal, we have direct formula that is D1 plus D2 by 2. It is a density of the mixture. If volumes are equal, V1 equal to V2 equal to V. Two liquids of volumes are equal, then density of the mixture equal to D1 plus D2 by 2. So here D1 equal to how much? 0.3 gram per cc and D2 equal to 0.9 gram per cc. So D mix equal to density of the mixture equal to 0.3 plus 0.9 by 2 gram per cc. 2 gram per cc. That equal to 0.3 plus 0.2. That is 1.2 by 2. That equal to 0.6. That equal to 0.6 gram per cc. So D means equal to 0.6 gram per cc. If two liquids of densities D1 D2, if volumes are equal, then density mix is equal to D1 plus D2 by 2. Okay, so D1 equal to 0.3 plus 0.9. 0.3 plus 0.9, 1.2 by 2. That equal to 0.6. That equal to 0.6 gram per cc.